Crazy Chef Productions. Today we're going to unbox a design line, a Bosch electric kettle. I will zoom in on the box on the kettle so you can see it rather than see me. Right, the marketing blurb: easy to handle, removable lime scale filter, auto safety functions, easy to read water scale, optimal spout, cord storage and 360-degree corners. Okay, we see if it's cracked up. It's a 2,400 watt kettle, 1.7 litre. It's design line, Bosch, and they also come with matching toasters. You could get a 2-slot toaster or a 4-slot toaster, and they come in various colours. This is stainless steel. They come in white, brown and black, I believe. Anyway, so, and they come as matched items. You can buy toaster and kettle together. But I'm going to zoom in on the box and I'm going to unpack it. Okay, on here we got rid of all the took. We've taken out all the packaging, throw it away. Nice presentation box with the old matching toaster. Look at that. Okay, so you've got the base unit, and you can adjust the cable. There's a cable rack there. You can make the cable longer, shorter, and that's got a European plug on. Got a lovely shiny stainless steel kettle. Lovely shining stainless steel. Pop open the lid. Filter in the top for lime scale or whatever. It's totally sealed in, and it's got graduation marks from 0.3 of a litre to 1.7 litre, which is maximum up the side. Lovely. It's got a lovely weight to it. It's not too heavy. Lovely feel, lovely shine. There's the on-off switch there. You just put some water in it, you hear it. I've got just over a half a litre there. So I will attempt to plug it in. My socket here. And put it on. You see, hopefully you see the light come on red. And you hear it wearing away in a second. Load up. Here we go. Here we go. You can hear it going along nicely now. It's boiling just over half a litre, between a half and a litre. It does not leak, it does not splutter. Some older kettles do leak from the base, with either condensation or through the seal. This is totally sealed in. Obviously one piece of engineering steel. And this is again the stainless steel version of a Bosch kettle from the design line range. It comes with, if you wish to have it, a 2 or 4 slice toaster. It comes in various colours. I know it certainly comes in white, comes in stainless, it actually comes in brown if you want to match a wooden countertop. Here we go, look. Steam's coming out, keep away from it. It's going to snip off now, look. Boil, boil, boil. And it's turned itself off. So there we are, is the Bosch 1.7 litre Bosch design line electric kettle.